The whole thing about the Windward Plains in Monster Hunter Wilds is that there's this big, like, almost cataclysmic lightning sandstorm that happens every once in a while to change between the seasons. And they've taken these big cataclysmic events into consideration when developing the monsters that live in these habitats, and that is so cool. Like, this is what the Windward Plains normally look like. It's probably like an arid or semi-arid grassland, kind of, think savanna-like habitat. Like, we have some trees, but most of it's low-lying grasses. It looks pretty dry. And then between seasons, giant sandstorms kick up and it creates lightning in the atmosphere. But one of the monsters that lives there and probably evolved in this habitat is Ceratanoth, and the males form this giant spike on their back because they live in these herds. They're these really social monsters. And since they live in these herds in this environment with these big lightning strikes, they have evolved the ability to create a lightning rod which then strikes the top, and then they channel it into the ground to diffuse the lightning away from other more susceptible members of their herd. Like, that's such a cool idea. We don't have this in the real world, but like thinking about herd structure, animal, and like cool lightning, and they just factor this in with this thing like directing the lightning away from its herd to protect it is just incredible. This game is so cool.